awesome.
This thing's pretty cool.
Really well structured in the back. Oh, you got AC running on it? Keep it cool. Okay. Oh, wow. What's up, man? You got some serious stuff going on your door.
Yeah,
Bass destroying it, isn't it?
Yeah, I had the avatars in here before.
Wow.
Same truck.
Yep. Oh, okay.
Same truck, painted it. Put a B pillar.
Wow, you've done some work to the floor too.
Yeah.
Everything. Sorry, I noticed everything. That's right. What's your name real quick and equipment?
Jose, got 4 XD4, Crossfire Xv4s, 230Ks.
230Ks.
230.
Wow. What are they wired to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay. Wow.
Yeah. They're still breaking in. They're like 4 days old. Yeah.
Looks good.
Trying to get them going.
Are you happy with it?
I'm happy with it
Happy
so
with
far,
it?
yeah.
Okay.
I'm happy with it.
Do you know your peak frequency? Has it changed? How you still learning? Oh, yeah. I know. I got it. All right. I'd love to hear it.
All right. I'll play something low.
Yeah, let's do it. Sure. How low do you play down to, you feel like?
18.
18? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. like the lows, I can tell. I appreciate it. Hey, your beard was flexing. Even with the window up, that's crazy, man. You got pressure for that. I appreciate the demo. What was your name again?
Jose.
Jose, thank you, man. One more fist bump. Appreciate it.
No problem. Thank
Yep. Whew. That Lowe's is gonna break the door. Hey, that was awesome.
Thank you.
Hey, have a good day.
Take it easy.
That was. Hey, can I see the amp in the back? Is it open? I don't know if it's open. I would like to see the back. I appreciate it. Awesome. Really well structured in the back. Oh, you got AC running on it? Keep it cool. Nice. How much lithium?
160 at
160?
Protobanks.
Okay. And the sub's still breaking in?
Yeah.
Awesome. You have a good day. Thank you for showing me.
Thank you.
Really nice. Yeah. Whew. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.